How to enter data in Excel sheet. First, click the cell where you want to enter the data. Begin typing the data you want to enter. After typing, press Enter to finalize the entry. Press Tab button to move the next cell. To merge cells in Excel, select the desired cells. Then go to the Home tab and click Merge and Center. To color code cell in Excel, use Fill Color on the Home tab. We can also apply borders. Select which type of borders you want. If you need to sum in Excel, first select the cell you want to sum. Then select Auto Sum. The shortcut for Auto Sum is press the Alt key and the equal sign key on your keyboard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.